This is a preview of one of our hair color master classes. This is a continuation of our direct dye hair color series for textured hair. In this session, we're going to show you the full evolution of direct dye hair color over 17 weeks. This is session 4 of a 5-part series. This is our model at the first direct dye hair color appointment. We used 3 colors, lavender, silver, and peacock blue. You can see this color application in video 1 of the 5-part series. This is her hair after a root touch-up. We used the peacock blue to upgrade her fade color at week 4. Because pastel colors fade so fast, we progressively went darker. This is her direct dye hair color at week 12. We applied peacock blue from roots to end. Here is a quick review of us removing all of those direct dye pigments. We applied them in layers, the lavender, silver, and peacock blue, and the pigments are being removed from the hair in the same layer-like fashion. It's like hair magic right in front of our eyes. You can see this full video, I believe that's video number 3 in the direct dye hair color series. When you want cool, clear pastels and blondes, you need to lift to a minimum of a level 9. This pigment remover was mixed with deionized water and it doesn't damage the hair shaft in any way. But ooh, look at this hair color, okay? I just had to sneak in some of the hair color shots from the final hair color series number 5. Okay, 5 of 5. We're going to feature this soft, icy silver blonde. I don't even know how to describe it. It is so delicious. It is so scrumptious. Okay, this video isn't even about this Nordic blonde. This video, we're going to show you how to do a bleach root touch-up on short to medium length hair. Our other video was on the super short pixie bleach touch-up. So now that our model's hair has grown out, we're going to show you in this session how to do a bleach touch-up on short to medium length hair. But I just had to show you this icy silver blonde hair color. It is so amazing. We are going to have the full video start to finish for sale digital download right on our website at beautywellnesshaircare.com. It's going to include all the timing, all the formulas, all the brands. You're going to see the rebonders, the shampoo session. You're going to want to buy this video. I just had to include this preview of the final series 5 session. After we removed all of those crazy direct dyes, we went into this beautiful, cool, icy silver blonde with no damage to the hair. And in this video right here that you're watching, we're going to show you the root touch-up. So after we removed all of those direct dyes, she had level 9 already bleached on the mid shaft and ends, but she had about an inch of new growth, and she's a natural hair color level 1. Okay, so we had to really go in there and lift her and blend the roots with the already existing bleached hair, and we had to rebond it and condition it so that it would stay strong and on her hair. So right here we're going in after we've removed the pigments and we're spraying bond protectors on her hair. This is like a pre-conditioning treatment that will protect the hair that's already bleached. It will protect in case, well, we know that the bleach is going to spread and is going to overlap a bit and get on hair that's already been bleached. These bond protectors will protect the hair from breaking, okay? Bond protectors. You need to get into our hydrogen bond sessions in our hair roller videos. They go deep. I wanted to focus on these ends. Look how healthy her hair ends are. Okay, this is after the pigments have been removed. We sprayed the bond protectors on her hair. We applied some nourishing lipid serum all over. And I wanted you to see these ends because once the entire session is over and we take her to the IT Blonde, so that's her new growth. That is our challenge, okay? We've broken the base with the pigment remover. She's a natural hair color level 1, but because of the color remover, we were able to break the base and lift her 1-2 levels. And here we begin the final pass of the bleach application on short to medium length hair. Not pixie short, but short to medium length hair. You can see the full touch-up video. It's included in that icy silver blonde video, that digital download from our site. But you see here on the final pass, I am spreading the bleach product, the decolorizer, up onto hair to kind of feather it up onto the mid shaft. I'm not just stopping so that there's a hard straight line of demarcation. Now, I don't go in and spread and distribute the bleach product at the first pass. Now, this hair has been sitting for about 45 minutes. We have a good 10 to 15 minutes to go. So in the last 10 to 15 minutes, that's when I go in with my last cross check and I will spread the bleach onto hair. What I'm looking to do is eliminate any yellow. Okay, we want to eliminate any yellow at the scalp. Now, this is a straight pro tip, okay? This is a Beauty Wellness Hair Care exclusive. So you see how I have the foils placed on the ends? Well, there's no bleach on the ends where the foil is. I'm using the foil to make sure the hair stays separated and that the ends don't fall into hair that has bleach on it. Does that make sense? A lot of times with textured hair, it's so big that it's difficult to control. So I use the foil like as erector sets, right? I can put the foil on the ends. It will stop the bleach from spreading onto the ends, which are already a level 9, and they don't need any more bleach. And in the last 15 minutes, I'm going around the perimeter, right? I'm going in and checking, and all of the fine little baby hairs all around the perimeter, the front hairline, around the ears, and at the nape. The bleach product, the decolorization product, the developer and the bleach, they are most potent when you first mix them. So do not mix the bleach product until you are absolutely ready to apply it. And after the hair has been sitting with the bleach on it for up to 45 minutes, it starts to lose its potency. So that's why in the last 15 minutes, I take the existing bleach and I feather it up to eliminate any bands. Now we get into the disastrous color banding that happens when you don't do your bleach touch-ups correctly. The banding is obvious. We get into that in the master class, but let's get back to this model. Okay, her ends are out. That's so important. We don't want to overlap the chemical. So whether it's a bleach product, a hair color product, or a relaxer product, you never want to overlap chemicals. You don't want to apply chemicals to hair that has already been treated with that chemical. The bleach touch-up is complete, and we shampooed her with a lavender tone shampoo so that the hair that was a level 9 and above would be highlighted. We really got all the pigments out of her nape. I mean, that is like a wonderful level 10. We can still see some warmth in the hair. This hair is wet, okay? We've rebonded and we shampooed with a lavender shampoo to highlight where the hair that was previously lifted to a 9. Now, the toner is only going to grab onto hair that's lifted to a level 9 and above. Now her hair is dry and we can really see the warmth coming out of her scalp and the cool white ends. And the cool white ends are the hair that was previously bleached and has the lavender shampoo. Actually, it's violet toner. It's violet shampoo. And you know how now they have these modern shampoos that have pigments in them that could act as a toner. So we use that as her shampoo coming out of a bleach. And okay, once we brought her up and We had some hair from a previous client, and I was like, you know what, girl, we can add some hair all kind of ways. We can bond it. We can do a traditional sew-in. I can make some custom clip-ins. We can make a halo. Okay, enough of that, right? It is too hot to add some hair today. So this is the final result of that appointment. After we did her new growth bleach touch-up, then we toned it to this soft silver metallic blonde hair color, and it is everything. This is her hair after we dropped some keratin on it and wrapped her and dried her under an ionic hood dryer. We just combed her out with that feather comb. You know how I like that feather comb. We combed her out with the feather comb, and we grabbed the camera, and this is the results. No foam, no mousse, no gel, no silicones, no sulfates. Okay, we used a little bit of 100% organic nourishing lipid serum that is weightless. It is absorbed instantly, and you can see her hair is fine. So we can put that on her hair throughout this entire styling process. Now, you should never put oil on the hair before you use a flat iron, okay? That's like frying fish. When you put the oil on the hair and then you hit it with the high heat, what you're doing is you're frying the cuticle layer. So we used a little bump and curve to enhance the volume of this icy silver blonde, but the heat was lower than 300. You will never see smoke coming out of the hair with a flat iron in a beauty wellness hair care video. That is just damaging the cuticle layer. Whenever you see that smoke coming out, just know that layers and layers, the epicuticle and the exocuticle layers, are just being scorched off. Can you believe it? This is week 17 of the Direct Dye Hair Color Series. Now, we started out with the lavender, the silver, and the peacock blue, and then we picked peacock blue to be our primary touch-up hair color, and we rocked that for 12 weeks. And actually, we rocked it up to 17 weeks. We typically don't let her new growth get this long, but we were making this, we were filming this Direct Dye Hair Color Series, and we wanted to see how long the direct dye was going to hold on to her previously bleached hair. And this is week 17. There is no lavender. There is no, well, we did add a little more silver though, okay? So, and look how beautiful it looks. I mean, this is like a classic 1960s Marilyn Monroe silver blonde. There is no warmth in her hair. Now, I'm thinking we're going to let the nape grow out. What do you think? I think it could be kind of sexy to have a longer nape that hugs her neck. Leave us a comment down below and let us know if you think we should let her nape line grow out. I mean, it would help solve a lot of hair color challenges if all of the hair on her head had the same porosity. Okay, that's when porosity matters. Like, I hear a lot of girls on the internet go on and on and on about porosity, but the only time porosity matters is when you get into hair color. Porous hair means you have a damaged cuticle layer. That means you've overlapped your chemicals, maybe your relaxer, you're using flat irons without ceramic plates, you're using sulfate shampoos and gels and foams. Detergent shampoos. Ooh, detergent shampoos are really, really bad for the hair. But then when you put all of those gels, you know, gel is polyvinyl chloride. Gel is liquid plastic. So when you put that plastic on your hair and then you sit the client under the dryer under that high heat, who knows what kind of chemical reaction is going on the scalp. But I tell you one thing, it is not healthy. What other culture in the world would allow stylists to cleanse their hair, recondition it, and then put up to an ounce of gunk in it, an ounce of foam or gel or mousse? A lot of clients think they have dandruff, but what they have is an allergic reaction to all of that stuff that was dried on their scalp. Back to the matter at hand. Look at this soft silver blonde hair color on a natural hair color level 1, okay? We get into it in the hair color masterclass. Come visit us at beautywellnesshaircare.com. You can go right to the site, click the button that says Masterclass, and you can buy the full video start to finish of this platinum blonde. Well, actually, it's not platinum, it's more metallic, silver metallic blonde, okay? We came, you know what? It's like a direct dye. Toners, direct dyes, whether it's lavender, peacock blue, or silver blonde, they are all toners. They sit on the cuticle layer. They sit on top of the hair, and they are very fragile. And that also is an advantage because that means they're easy to change. And once you lift your client to a level 9, then it's easy to go from a rose gold to a cool, icy silver blonde in one session. Stick around. Click the subscribe button. Click the bell so you get notified of our number 5, our final video in the direct dye hair color series for textured hair level 5 and below. Okay, thanks for watching. And please give us a thumbs up if you find our content helpful. You can leave us any comments or questions down below. We'd love to hear from you.